Want to create a Tinder account but don't know how to? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a Tinder account. So first, what you have to do is open your Tinder app and then click on continue with Google. After that, select one of your emails. Then simply write your phone number and click on next. Then you will receive a code and simply write that code and click on next. Click on I agree and fill up your informations. After that, write your date of birth. And click on next. Select your gender. Click on next. Click on skip. Click on your preferences. Click on next. Select the distance preference that you want, whether you want the person to be close or far. Click on next. Skip. Skip, or you can even select those options. Here I'm going to skip. Skip. And simply upload your profile pictures and click on next, and your Tinder account will be ready to use. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and follow.